Here's an interesting app called Thrillz Real Money Games. Play and win cash. So here is the app. Get ready for adrenaline rush with Thrillz, the all-in-one platform where you can play dozens of games and win real cash, and compete with thousands of players in the US and win real money. So that's kind of the idea of the app, kind of like Triumph app, or some other apps where you can play and you can really earn money just by playing games or testing games, also just by inviting people. Here's my code. You can get $2 just by using my code, and then you can just see this. You can watch ads. Again, there are all of these games. You just need to explore. You can play like 8 pool, solitaire, tile match. Why you would just play some games in other apps when you can play exactly the same games here and also earn cash? So that's the point. Just nobody's talking that you can get like thousands of dollars here. Probably not, but probably a few hundred you can get if you're using this app actively. You can see balance history. You can see what you're getting. You can then just try to withdraw. So account balance, reach $10 to withdraw. Minimum withdraw amount is $10. Maximum withdraw is 100. Withdrawal usually takes up to 5 business days. All bonus cash will be forfeited upon withdrawal. And that's kind of the idea, and that's where it is. So seems legit. So I have an experience using Triumph app and Rips for Triumph in similar niche, and I was able to withdraw like hundreds of dollars, completely legit. Yeah, I earned that just by referring people, but what I can say, it was possible to withdraw. In some other games, apps like this, it's not possible to withdraw. There are apps like Hot Mini Drama, some others, where apps also just paying you for watching videos or playing games, and sometimes it's not possible to actually get the money. So you spend like 2 weeks on the app and you just can't withdraw it. So super weird. And yeah, so that's kind of what it is. What do you think, guys? Seems like a legit app, so let's give it a try. Remember, there are 2 types of Thrillz apps, which are called Thrillz. So there is this is the app Thrillz Real Money Games, and then there is also Social Sportsbook. But this is not the app you're looking for. If you want to play game and earn cash, you're just looking for this one. So just check this out.